This is a version of number 19 from the 2.1, 2.2 web assigned homework. So it says find a polynomial function with the given 0. So I'm going to write it in factored form. Because my first solution is 1 plus root 7, my first factor will be x minus 1 minus root 7. And then for my second 0, I have 1 minus root 7, so my factor is going to be x minus 1 plus root 7. Because if I were to set this equal to 0, I would add 1 and I would subtract root 7 to get that solution there. Now there are two ways to multiply this out because they want it in standard form. Okay, so if I just multiply it out one by one, I would get x times x squared, minus 1x, x times root 7 plus root 7x. Okay, then I still have to distribute the minus 1, so this is going to be, I think I'm going to line it underneath, minus 1x, minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1, minus 1 times root 7 is minus root 7. And then I still need to distribute the negative root 7 times x and everything else. So negative root 7x, negative root 7 times negative 1 is positive root 7. Negative root 7 times positive root 7 is minus 7. Okay, this looks bad, but let me look for the like terms. Okay, the x squared is good. For the x's, I see that there's a minus 1x and a minus 1x, so let's make that minus 2x. Okay, for the root 7x, that's going to cancel with the negative root 7x. I have a 1 minus 7, which will be negative 6. And then I have a negative root 7 and a positive root 7, which are also going to cancel. So it looks like I get f of x equals x squared minus 2x minus 6. Now, there is a second way to multiply it, and it is more efficient once you get used to it, so I'm going to show you that way as well. Okay, the second way is recognizing that this is a difference of cubes, because this is x minus 1 minus root 7, and it's x minus 1 plus root 7. So I can do x minus 1 times x minus 1 is x minus 1 squared. Now, if I were multiplying out x minus 1 times root 7, that would cancel out with minus root 7 times x minus 1. So I'm left with minus root 7 times positive root 7, which is minus 7. Okay, this is not quite in standard form, but once I multiply it out, it will be. So I'll get x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 7. And then when I simplify that, I still get x squared minus 2x minus 6, which is the same answer I got previously. So both ways work. If you can learn this method, it's faster. This one is a little uglier, but it will get the job done.